The current value of Tezos is 68,078,393. XTZ price could soar as high as $1.28 by the year 2023. Tezos price with the potential surge could go as high as $653 by 2030. Tezos' road to stardom was not an easy one. Given the challenges, the coin is fast gaining ground. Moreover, the network also boasts an energy-efficient algorithm, which is also scalable. The native asset of the Tezos network, XTZ, has been under due consideration of investors and traders. XTZ has already been listed, including over top 10 crypto exchanges in just 2 years of its inception. Are you considering XTZ price for your portfolio, but worried about its returns, and follow this right up till the end to know about it? As you take a close look at XTZ and give you a detailed price estimate for 2023, and this is the chance to story highlights overview. Tezos price prediction October 2023. XTZ crypto price prediction 2023. Tezos price prediction 2023-2030. XTZ coin price prediction 2024. Tezos price prediction 2025. Tezos price prediction 2026. Tezos price prediction 2027. Tezos price prediction 2028. Tezos price prediction 2029. Tezos price prediction 2030. Market analysis. Coinpedia's Tezos prediction. Fundamental analysis. What is Tezos? And they were sensible. Tezos historic market sentiments 2017 to 2022. So that's the best disciple. It's funny what they're doing. And the month of September was the most volatile month for the crypto industry this year, as elite coins continue to struggle close to their respective crucial support levels. Tezos have lost over 2% during the month. But the month of October has started on a positive note, as the market has gained more than 3% since the month's start. The RSI displays a sharp plunge in its averages, indicating a weak buying and selling power. Further, the price have recently displayed a dip in its averages, resulting into the RSI to trade below the midpoint, and also indicating a possibility of the coin to test its lower levels before retesting its higher levels. So if the bulls gain power and the price manages to break out of the descending channel, then trend reversal will occur, and the coin will experience a bullish movement in its price. Further, if the market holds its price above the level, then XTZ price will prepare itself to test the resistance level of 0.70 soon. And on the contrary, if the bears overpower the bulls and the price breaks down from the range, then the coin will experience a dip in its value. The coin will then prepare itself to test the support level of $66 this week. As the bulls are repeatedly failing to gain power, the coin has been constantly trading in a descending trend line since February. Tezos has wiped out all its gains from the surge back in January and is currently trading at same level. The RSI continues to constantly trade below the midpoint since the start of August. The averages have failed multiple attempts to cross the halfway, indicating a weak buying and selling power. On the other hand, the MACD has been displaying constant flatline since the start of the month, indicating an uncertainty in its future price action. Moreover, a major bearish convergence can be seen in the chart, further indicating the price to dip. An influx of new users coming from collaborations and adoptions, resulting from the network's strengths, such as institutional-grade security, governance, energy-efficient algorithm, scalability, and smart contracts, could push their price to greater heights. And by the year 2023, exponential growth is highly anticipated due to inbound development and adoption. In the best possible case, XTZ may exchange trades at a maximum price of $1.28 by the end of 2023. The price may as well drop to a minimum cost of 54 cents if the bears rule the market. With average buy and sell pressures, the asset is anticipated to can trade at triple 21, and growing positive sentiments and a spike in volumes could push the price to higher levels. Tezos' price prediction for 2023 could range from $54 to $1.25 28 for the year because of Tezos' layered architecture and explicit upgrade process.
The network can be trained to provide and incorporate new advanced technologies after they become feasible. This may aid the coin's popularity in the coming years.
And relying on its unique features, Tezos is anticipated to get the respective lowest and maximum prices in 2024. According to its fundamental study, the maximum and minimum levels are expected at 1.73 and 92 cents respectively. Moreover, trading prices are projected to be $1.32 on average. Tezos professionals and crypto fans are optimistic. The Tezos prices will keep rising in the future. If the user base of the network accelerates at an impressive pace, the network would also shake hands with bigger names in the business. In such a case, the price of XTZ might propel to a maximum of $2.26. On the flip side, ebbing prominence and stiffer competition amongst rivals could knock the price down to a minimum of $1.36. That said, constrained by the linear trajectory of the price, the altcoin could settle at $1.81. According to our analysts, XTZ crypto price for the year 2026 could range between $2.01 to $2.95, and the average price of Tezos could be around $2.48. According to our analysts, Tezos price for the year 2027 could range between $2.67 to $3.69, and the average price of XTZ could be around $3.18. According to our analysts, XTZ coin price for the year 2028 could range between $3.22 to $4.45, and the average Tezos price could be around $3.83. According to our analysts, Tezos crypto price for the year 2029 could range between $3.89 to $5.21, and the average XTZ price could be around $4.55. According to our analysts, XTZ coin price for the year 2030 could range between $4.50 to $6.53, and the average price of Tezos could be around $5.51. And we have made a table that includes the possible price prediction for the same token made by other crypto analysts on their respective platforms. The targets mentioned above are the average targets set at the respective firms. As the Tezos Foundation continues to gain popularity, so will the number of XTZ holders. As per Coinpedia's formulated Tezos price prediction, the Tezos Foundation will play a major role in future price movements. Tezos certainly has the potential to grow in value over the next several years. In succession, the price of XTZ could hit a maximum of $1.28 by the end of 2023, while emerging rivals and negative criticism could draw down the price to 125 cents. Regular buying and selling pressures could settle the price at 91 cents. And Arthur Brightman developed Tezos. Tezos, also referred to as XTZ, is a coin that is a multi-purpose platform that supports dApps and smart contracts. Arthur Brightman prepared the whiter paper on the smart contract platform. And the white paper prepared for Tezos network was intended to enable a better governance process. Previously, Arthur Brightman and his wife Kathleen Brightman launched a startup known as Dynamic Ledger Solutions that functions by creating an algorithm that would prop up the Tezos protocol. Interestingly, the tech firm was acquired by the Tezos Foundation. The platform's main objective is to combine a self-correcting protocol and on-chain governance to manage network modifications. Additionally, the altcoin uses delegated proof of stake and supports Turing complete smart contracts. Finally, it would be worth mentioning that Tezos erupted into the crypto land by collecting $232 million, and their record-breaking ICO Finally, Tezos is a blockchain network linked to a digital token called a Tez or a Tezi. Tezos are not based on the mining of Tez. Instead, token holders receive a reward for participating in the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism.
The term Tezos is an ancient Greek word for smart contracts as per the developers.
The platform is unique as it has worked from its roots to give a better governance process than Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Tezos has its native token, XTZ, which could be used for holding, sending, baking, or spending. In addition, users could use the token to vote on network integrations. With the end of its ICO in July, Tezos price took a few months to get listed on popular exchanges. By October 2017, it was first listed on a major exchange. Soon after the tokens hit exchanges, the price immediately surged to more than 3 times its 51 cents ICO price. And further until mid-November 2017, the XTZ coin price was hovering between $1.50 and $2.50. At the end of 2017, XTZ's price rapidly gained momentum on exchanges, spiking as high as $12.19. And further in 2018, besides a short growth of $6 on January 3rd, the XTZ coin's price suffered a drastic loss, reaching the trading value of $2. Later, the price was seen hovering between $2 to $3 until June. But as the bears hit hard, the price sloped down to $165 in the mid of June. The bearish phase continued till the end of 2018 with the trading value below 0.476. Tezos continued to trade at 48 cents by early 2019, but the digital asset embarked on a downtrend until the start of May, and then following an uptrend, the price of XTZ reached $1.65 by the mid of May. After months of swings, XTZ's price climbed back to $1.70 in December. By the end of the year, XTZ was seen trading at $1.35. From a low price of around $1.25 in January, XTZ moved steadily to a record in ATH of $3.56 in late February. However, in March, XTZ suffered a sharp price plunge, wherefore XTZ was seen trading at $1.25 by mid-March. By the beginning of the Q2, the altcoin began to rise until it faced stiff resistance at $3 during May. Consecutively on a bullish note, the price spiked dramatically into $4.28 by mid-August, but fully plunged to $3.34 by the end of August. And due to the expansion of Bitcoin's price rally, XTZ managed to trade at $2.50 by the end of November. Concluding the year, XTZ's price dropped back to $2, and on a hopeful note, the coin started to accelerate dramatically. By the mid of March, the price had surpassed $5 and continued to rally up to $8 till May. However, after the market crashed, the price plunged back to $2 on 22nd July. The price made a parabolic move to clinch an ATH of $9.18 on the 4th of October. However, as bears took over the reign, the price underwent a steep contract fall to around 4.75. If the digital asset had commenced its trade for 2022 with its price at $4,352, continuity in the downtrend further took the price to $2,550 by the 24th of January. Thereafter, an uptrend took the price about 81.83% higher to $4,602 by the 9th of February. And however, turbulence in the business resulting from geopolitical tussles and Fed's tapering pushed the price down to $2,932 by February 24th. An uptrend from then led to the quarter's closure at $4.009. The second quarter was ruthless for the industry. The aggravating turmoil led to a plunge of over 70% by the 17th of June. Thereafter, an uptrend led to the quarter's closure at 1.560. And the Coinpedia has dedicated a team of expert analysts to cover the possible crypto price prediction and sum it all up in one place just for you. Yes, Tezos might be a good investment if you are planning to invest for the long term. The altcoin could soar as high as $1.28 by the end of 2023. Tezos triumphs in terms of financial performance and scalability. In addition, the XTZ environment offers an advanced consensus protocol, and XTZ's price might surge as high as $2.26 by the end of 2025. With a potential surge, the price could go as high as $6.53 by the end of 2030. And then Tezos work on the delegated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Tezos can be traded on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, OKX, and VCC Exchange, amongst others. At the time of publishing, the value of one XTZ was $0.6797